When individuals' talents and skills are fully realized and optimized, they contribute to a stronger, more equitable workforce. That's why Perrin is revolutionizing the way workforce and education intersect with My Journey. A pivotal module within My Journey is My Pro Center. My Pro Center empowers organizations and their staff to make a deep impact with their clients. Our configurable and intuitive case management workflows across workforce development, government, and educational institutions allows professionals to focus on their participants, avoiding clunky and hard to use legacy software. Utilizing one system for all of this simplifies everyone's job, ensures comprehensive and holistic records, and eliminates dead ends in a participant's journey. Perrin understands how professionals and case managers use plans, reminders, common intake, transaction and expense tracking, progress and performance monitoring, and referrals across agencies to better support their community. Professionals will immediately have all the necessary information for case management at their fingertips through a robust and configurable console. Now let's dive into some key features of My Pro Center. We begin at My Dashboard, the hub of all operations for a professional. Here, professionals have their frequently used widgets and access to key workflows. Case management begins with intake and program applications. In addition, we have a self service intake portal for referrals and data collection directly from participants. Eligibility determination and program enrollment through the service tracker. The service tracker records services provided to participants, automatically evaluating eligibility for specific programs. This feature saves valuable time by eliminating manual cross checking of eligibility criteria and facilitating automatic program enrollment. If an assigned service requires funding, transactions are automatically integrated into the professional's workflow to ensure budget compliance and correct allocation of funds for an individual. Consistent fields makes it easy to report on how case managers are engaging with their clients and are aligned with federal Pearl reporting. These fields can be further configured to ensure the highest quality reporting. Robust performance tracking includes tracking impact and compliance to deepen outcomes for participants while ensuring federal, state, and local compliance requirements. Digital document management is available to both participants and professionals, with secure uploads enabling document sharing in various formats, either by phone or via the computer. An integrated client record across data systems ensures real time access to participant entered information and any integrated data via API. The professional with a common location can access the participant's record to support them on their journey. The professional can add information, complete education or employment plans, monitor progress, document outcomes, and much more. A community catalog of in network community resources and closed loop referrals enables participants to self refer or to have professionals make referrals on their behalf. Either way, a professional on the receiving end will update the status to keep everyone in the loop. This warm handoff lets the participant know someone is expecting them, and the location who is hosting the opportunity can prepare accordingly. Inside My Pro Center, professionals have clear reminders and alerts to help manage complex workflows and stay engaged with participants. Emails or assigned tasks to other professionals ensure correct follow up. Easy to generate, attractive reports, compliance reporting, ad hoc reporting, and analytics provide meaningful data to inform data driven decisions. We provide meaningful data to inform who is using the system, what are their interests, what are their goals and needs, and how are agencies supporting them with their programs, offerings, and services. We have built reports that we offer standard across every client with the most commonly asked questions. We can also create specific reports to capture the data that is most relevant to you. Additionally, we have dynamic querying capabilities where a professional can select customer fields and values they want to search against. The criteria they use can be saved for future use, shared with other professionals, and the professional can choose to take action with the narrowed list, like recommend a resource or send a group email. My Pro Center integrates seamlessly with Perrin's other modules. In My Job Center, employers can list job postings and training opportunities. Professionals engage with these modules through the employer record and job board. Much of how these configurable workflows in My Pro Center are accomplished happens in our app settings. Perrin's My Pro Center can be quickly and efficiently deployed for a wide variety of clients and use cases, thanks to the application workflows and feature flags that have already been built. We have the ability to turn on or turn off functionality from a secure page within the application. Our customer success team then works closely with the decision makers of each client to customize the workflow, content, logos, colors, and features to meet their unique needs without having to involve our engineering team. Roles and permissions, as well as custom content, is also edited here. Recognizing that every participant has a unique journey, My Pro Center provides the flexibility and tools to meet a spectrum of needs. Enhance efficiency, stay client focused, and make a lasting impact with My Pro Center.